Hi there, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to download and set up your 42-line planner in the latest version of Goodnotes. Our planners come in different designs and styles. Regardless of which planner bundle you purchase, the download and setup process is pretty much the same. Most of our planners now have calendar integration. Make sure you choose the correct link to download the version you need. The link will open in Safari. Just tap the download button. Wait until the download icon at the top right corner to finish downloading, and tap the icon and the file. It will open up your Files app, and you can see a zip file here in the Downloads folder. Simply click the zip file and it will just auto-unzip. Click to open the folder and you'll see the planners here. You may see different planner files depending on which planner package you bought. If you're looking for a specific layout, you can change to list view to see the file name. I generally label the file name in a way that you can easily find the one you need. So for example, this one is a 2026 planner with balanced daily layout, Apple Calendar integration, and the weekly start date is Monday. Okay, let's choose this one. Click on the share icon. Choose the Goodnotes icon. If you can't see it, click more and find it here. Or you can scroll down and choose Opening Goodnotes. If these download links aren't working for you, you can try the Google Drive link and navigate the folders to find the planner version you need. And click on the three dots, Opening, Goodnotes, or your note-taking app. Now we have the planner opening Goodnotes 6. First, let me explain how hyperlinks work in Goodnotes 6. You can tap the read-only icon at the top right on and off to switch between the read mode and the write mode. If you like to use your pen to navigate the planner, make sure you turn on the read-only mode. Otherwise, you can tap the links with your finger like so. This will work whether you are on the read-only mode or the write mode. On the copyright page, you'll see info about calendar integration. If you don't need that feature, you can skip it. The planner will still work perfectly without it. If you do want to use it, make sure you install the shortcuts from the link provided. For a full demo on how to use the calendar integration, check out the video link in the description. Now I'll quickly go through how to navigate the planner. Here's the index page, where you can access lifestyle templates such as finances, wellness, nutrition, and custom sections. You can also use the icons at the top right corner to go to these sections. On the right side, you'll find tabs that take you to the yearly calendar and monthly calendars. From the monthly calendar, you can tap the dates to go to daily planning pages, or tap the week numbers on the left side to go to weekly pages. From the weekly planner, tap the dates to go to the daily planner. Here, if you want to go back to the weekly planner, just tap the View Week button at the top. At the bottom right corner, you can jump between weekly planner, weekly schedule, weekly reflection, and weekly meal planner. For a full walkthrough of how to navigate the planner, I've linked another video in the description. Next, I'll show you how to import sticker book. Let's download the stickers like we did with the planner. The Goodnotes sticker book looks like a zip file, but it actually is not. Just open it in Goodnotes in the same way we open the planner. One thing I want to point out here is that make sure you choose Import as New Document to import the sticker book to Goodnotes. If you choose Import to Current Document, the sticker book will import right into the planner. which obviously is not what we want. The same goes for when you open another planner while you are on the planner. Make sure you choose Import as New Document, otherwise the two planners will be merged into one document. The sticker book includes essential stickers in 5 colors, plus some extra stickers. Simply use the lasso tool to copy and paste the sticker like so. Now let me show you how to use the free 10,000 stickers that come with the planner. We'll save the stickers to the Elements tool of Goodnotes. First, choose the stickers you like. Click on Share. Save images. Now go back to Goodnotes. Choose the Elements tool. Click on the little plus button here to create a new collection for the stickers. Add photos. Select the stickers and add and create. You can also use the split view so that you can better navigate the stickers and find the one you need and drag the sticker to the planner like so. If you can't bother saving the stickers to the Elements tool, you can just drag and drop the sticker from the Files app to Goodnotes like so. Make sure you are on the Icons view so you can easily navigate through the stickers. The planner comes with a default cover, but our planner bundles also include extra covers for you to choose from. I'll show you how to change the cover, by which you can learn how to delete, copy, and paste pages in Goodnotes. Let's download the covers like we did with the planner. Let's choose a cover and tap 3 dots, copy page, go back to the planner, go to the index page, and navigate to the cover page. Tap this icon, paste page. Then go back to the original cover and delete it like so. There you go. We have a different cover for the planner. Now you're all set for the planner. I'll use a simple example to show you how to use the planner with some basic tools. Let's do some time blocking on the daily schedule on the daily page. Let's choose the pen tool. Choose a pen color. Draw a rectangle and hold the pen tip until you get a perfect rectangle. Now, let me show you how to type in the planner. And I'll use the highlighter to mark it. And this is the eraser tool. Lastly, let's add a picture to the planner. Tap the image tool and you can add a photo or pictures you have downloaded from the web. You can resize or rotate the picture like so. If you want to adjust your notes, You can use the lasso tool to move them around, change color, copy, delete, resize, and so on. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us keep making more tutorials. Thank you so much for supporting 4 Little Lion. I'll see you in my next video.